Hey girls, I have a few important updates. The first is I'm going to start doing interviews on Tuesday. I'm starting to schedule calls with girls on Tuesdays. That doesn't mean they'll actually be uploaded on Tuesdays, but I'll be on the phone with someone on Tuesdays. So if you have a story that you feel would be helpful to our beautiful community and you want to share it, right here is the place to let me know. In particular, I'm looking for stories about how dancing has saved you from something, is helping you reach your goals, or has helped you reach your goals, whatever they may be. Best strip club experiences, things you wish you had known when you first started dancing, first day experiences, especially if you had a great first day, whether that be money-wise or your manager made you feel super comfortable or the girls were super welcoming, whatever it might be. I'm looking to show new girls that their first day can be fun and hella profitable, and not even actually scary once you get in the game. If you've got something in mind right now that you're thinking other girls should know this, you're who I'm talking to. Collectively, we're making a difference in each other's lives, and let's be honest, if we're not trying to make every day better, then what the hell are we doing here? And one way that we can make every day better is by helping each other out. I think interviewing is going to become a huge part of this channel because collectively we have so much knowledge. Okay, the second update is we're about to go through the book, The Science of Getting Rich. This is the foundation for using your mind to activate the law of attraction. We talk a lot about the law of attraction on this channel, and this is going to be the last big burst of it before we start getting into some serious other stuff. I know a lot of you love the law of attraction, as do I, and if you've seen the film The Secret, that film exists because of the book that we're about to go through. So all this month, we're going to be talking about the law of attraction, and then we're going to move into finances. What the heck do you do with all of the money that you're making or that you're about to start making? We're going to talk tax advantages, safely investing your money, and drum roll please, lifetime income. Yes, lifetime income. I know you probably don't understand what that means yet, and it's a lot to get into, but I can tell you it's as exciting as it sounds. And finally, after we've discussed all that, we are going to get into some hardcore sales training, some hardcore psychology, and some hardcore getting customers to say yes to you. So I just wanted to let y'all know that we've got some seriously awesome life-enhancing stuff coming, and I want you to know I love you. I might not know who you are or where you've come from, but I know who we all are at our core. We are creators. We are world changers. We are people that have greatness inside of us, and I want to do my part, whatever that might be, to help bring the greatness to light from inside of you. Stay positive. I love you. Ciao for now.